Trump's tariffs could actually be a good thing for India. Here's how. India needs to lower its tariffs, not because it fears reciprocal tariffs from the US, but because large Indian corporations should be able to test their products against global competition and give consumers more choices at better prices. India's import tariffs are 5 times than that of the US and the highest among BRICS nations. Custom duties are anyway not an important revenue source for the Indian government. Tariffs are also used as a strategic tool to curb Chinese imports. But these measures have failed as Chinese imports continue to grow. The cost gap between Chinese imports and Indian made products remains too large, even with tariffs. If India does want to limit Chinese imports, non tariff measures are more effective and impose a lower cost, like India's rule requiring solar firms to use Indian made module for government incentives. Indian companies can only become truly self sufficient by competing globally, not by relying on protected domestic markets and high tariffs. Do you think lowering tariffs will help India compete globally? Comment below and follow Grip Invest for more market insights.
Investments in debt securities, municipal debt securities, securitized debt instruments are subject to risk, including delay and or default in payment. Read all the offer related documents carefully.